Fucking Asda van parked there, you can't see fuck all. You good lad.
Thank fuck about that shop, I was starting to go in fucking fire.
Ah, it was warm, eh? This van in front is turning left, but it's hard on the white line, hard on the centre line. It's only a fucking transit, mate. Fucking no bend. State of the road, eh?
No.
But we'll go round by the meadows, eh?
Going left here.
Left, aye.
Fuck me, man.
I know. Now this road that we're on here, this is a fucking shitty fucking tar. They just laid it right over the top of the old road. This is bumpy as fuck. I don't give a fuck, Alec. I'm right up them fucking either side, eh?
I was behind you.
As long as I get to the front, I don't care. I always...
He's turning.
Aye, I know.
Eh? Fucking off their head, man.
Always take the route of least resistance.
Yes, if we'd done that in the car, you get fucking done.
I know. Well, you wouldn't, because the poles are fucking nowhere to be seen.
Yeah, that's true.
I normally use that street there as a shortcut to get up into Toll Cross. Closed. Shut. Because going round there, you miss out all these lights and the fucking traffic and everything.
Jesus fuck.
I know, it's shocking, eh? Come on. Fuck's sake, I don't know what to put my feet down.
I didn't.
Fucking slow bastards. They'll be on their phones. Where's this white car going? No indicators or nothing.
No. Why, on the, one eye on the road, one eye in the fucking holes, isn't you?
Aye, well. Just blast her away here. Is she on her phone? She's too busy yapping.
Fuck off, you twat.
I can smell his screen wash. Did it get you? Right, let's go get some fresh air in.
Fucking hell, man. Bumpy as fuck.
Aye. The roads in Edinburgh are knackered.
Oh.
Absolutely knackered. Beat you.
I know.
No feet down. But we'll try and get back to Livingston without putting our feet down.
But then,
Probably impossible in this city, like, but we can try it.
you can smell the marijuana there.
Aye, itchy nose.
There's a cracking baker's here that's open all night.
Malone's, they've sold up.
Have they?
Aye, it's just up here on the left. They sold up, well they actually shut down a couple of years ago now I think. And somebody else has taken it over. Aye, it's been there for years that. Just up here, this is where Malone's was.
That's it.
That's it there, Bald Baker. That's it now. I don't know if it's open all night.
Come up like 2 in the morning and get some fucking cakes and stuff.
Aye, bran scones, well-fired rolls. Where these flats are on the left-hand side, that used to be a plastics factory. They used to make Easter egg fucking cases and all that, you know, like for Cadbury's, and
Aye.
they've done a lot of vacuum forming with plastics in there, and I worked in there with the agency, and we walked in at 9 o'clock and we walked straight back out at 10 o'clock when they'd done the change of shift, and we got away with it for a week before we got rumbled, eh? And then we got sacked. Oh dear. What a shame.
See the traffic, not these traffic lights, the traffic lights come up to now. On the right, there's a sign, Brian Miller Motors. That's the guy who used to look after my Porsche for me.
Oh, aye, up the lane.
Aye.
I think we're putting our feet down here, Alec. Because we get the left filter first, eh? left your space.
Well, we didn't get very fucking far, did we?
Nah. Where we go to Lanark Road?
Aye.
Up the Lang Wang, eh? Make a wee change for the 71, eh?
Aye.
A wee change of scenery.
Should be a car garage in there.
That's right, in the house. I remember the house as well.
Should keep a Porsche in there to get it MOT'd.
Yeah. And they put the shitty tar on this road as well. You can feel it under your tyres.
You can,
Now they've put the tar on top, but they haven't raised the manholes.
Noticed that.
So you can imagine the trucks and the buses and all that, aye. They're going to slam down on top of that and they're just going to fucking pile drive them into the fucking ground there. And then they're going to fall apart and break.
Everything's sinking.
Aye. Absolute disgrace. They never even ripped the road up, eh? They just fucking laid fucking tar over the top of it. And then for weeks this road was covered in stone chippings, eh? And I think a biker fucking came off.
The thing is, you take them to court, it takes fucking 3 years.
That's, the state of these manholes is unbelievable.
Cheap to fucking colour them in, eh?
I know. I need to avoid these drains, like, you'll be off.
I'd like to hit one in the winter.
No.
In the rain.
With the rain. Sun's awfully low, eh?
Aye. It's going to get lower as well. Is the shortest day past?
No. I don't think so. Is the shortest day no in December?
Could be, I can't mind.
I think it is, aye. The 21st of December maybe? That rings a bell, the winter show list.
Aye, you could be right.
Fuck it, I'm up the front.
And the nights get shorter.
Aye. Feet down. Are you still at the back?
Aye.
Well, there's a learner driver right at the front, so there's a good chance he'll end up fucking stalling it.
I'll be through there before he fucking puts his foot in it.
Itchy nose.
Ah.
Hola.
Side?
Right. No wasting my time sitting behind egg clowns. I like that showroom there, I like the style of that.
Aye.
1970s, eh?
Hit a rut in the road and it pulled me right across the road.
Aye, it caught me as well, eh? It pulled me to the left though, so I must have been on the other side of the rut. Shocking, eh?
Nothing you can do about it.
Just got to go with the flow. I've seen third world countries with better roads.
Hey, well, my hands aren't even cold.
No, neither are mine. Did you get past them? They fuckwits that are turning right. Itchy nose. How far back are you? Oh, I see you.
Boy, you've not got a great range in town with the cab though, have you?
No, not with the buildings, especially if you're round the corner, eh? Buildings get in the way, eh?
Ah.
Hola! I'm a red light fucking magnet, you know that. I've not been up this wee stretch for a while.
Well, neither have I. But the last time I come up here, I think I had the GS, and that was over a year ago.
Aha.
Fucking hell. Long time ago, eh?
Yeah.
Jesus fuck.
It's bad, isn't it?
Watch for these leaves.
Oh, aye. Slippy leaves. They're lethal.
Very lethal.
Yep. That's why they're called leaves.
Feel the difference when you go a bit quicker, eh?
Aye. Itchy nose.
Getting a lot of that today. Somebody's fucking talking about you.
I always get an itchy nose when it's in my helmet. I think it's a dead cat, but it's quite fluffy, eh? Sure that likes to tickle my nose.
You can feel the difference of this speed, can you?
Yeah. Aye, at 60 mile an hour or 59, you can feel it.
parachute you into there a few times.
Aye. I've not seen any gliders there for a while. Normally you see them getting dragged up into the air and then just gliding about.
Probably out of season now. I think it's still an active runway, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
They're all in there, isn't it?
Yep. At least we gave the bikes a wee stretch again today. Our days now are seriously numbered.
Absolutely.
I mean, I know there's guys that do take their bikes out in the salt and all that in the winter, but that's just no me, yeah.
That's not me either.
I don't want my bike to get ruined with the salt. I'm not bothered about the cold because you can dress up for that, eh?
It's just that your hands get that fucking cold.
I know.
It's not comfortable.
But like I say, you can dress up for the winter, but I just don't like getting the bike covered in salt.
Well, like being fucking freezing.
You can get heated clothing.
Yeah, I know. That vest I sent you was quite good, wasn't it?
Alright.
But that's a bit extreme. If I'm going that fucking, I'll take the car.
What, and then nobody able to fucking... Nobody able to filter through the fucking traffic?
That's the point. If you're going to Edinburgh, the bike's fine.
Yeah.
But if you're going to blast somewhere, then no. What's the dog in Paw Patrol called?
I don't know.
Rubble.
Rubble?
Rubble. The dog Rubble because people
Rubble.
like Rubble and...
The only Rubble I can remember is Barney Rubble from the Flintstones.
Aye.
Yabba dabba doo.
Yabba dabba doo. Hey, speed camera up here's live.
As you very well know.
Yep.
You've had the pleasure of being photographed.
Need to go on a speed awareness course, bastard.
Oh aye, for the one in England.
Yeah. Don't do that in Scotland, I think it's wrong.
I know, I think it's wrong as well.
It's starting to get chilly now, isn't it?
I'm okay.
Start feeling like coming through my legs.
Yeah. No, I've got my tracksuit bottoms and base layers on, eh?
I'm getting underneath.
There's a dead fox. Hello, fox.
Cheers.
Aye. I killed a baby fox when I got my car. The first week I had my car, it ran out in front of me. Splat.
You can't swear for anything on the road.
Well, I couldn't see it because it ran out. I was in a contraflow on roadworks, eh? I wasn't going that fast, and it just shot out. I just seen it at the last minute and just heard the thud. I wasn't braking anyway because there was cars behind me.
Ah, you can't.
But it was just a baby. It must have been a couple of months old, if that. Wee shame. I don't like killing animals.
No, I never do that.
In saying that, I killed a rabbit once because I was hungry, eh? When I was away on exercise.
I killed a rabbit with myxomatosis in his head to kill it.
Aye, well I just broke its neck, skinned it, gutted it and then cooked it, eh?
Can you eat that?
No, if it's got myxomatosis.
No. Ah, fuck that. I love a vegetarian, mate. She's a vegetarian because she loves animals.
Yeah. Oh no, I love animals as well, eh? I think they taste fucking super.